I'm about to show you why this MagSafe case is the only one you'll ever need, even after a 10-foot drop. Welcome to Digital Dreamland 101. Did you know that over 50% of smartphone users will drop their phones at least once a year? That's a shocking statistic, right? With all those accidents happening, it's no wonder we're all looking for ways to protect our precious devices. Today, we're diving into the world of phone protection with the ultimate MagSafe case you absolutely need in 2024. This isn't just any case. It's designed to keep your phone safe without sacrificing style. Let's see why this case is a game changer. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Phone damage. We've all been there. One minute you're just scrolling through Instagram, and the next, your phone slips out of your hand and hits the ground. The unfortunate truth is that a lot of phone users end up with cracked screens, or worse due to these accidental drops. That's why a reliable phone case isn't just a good idea, it's a necessity. With so many options out there, finding the right protection can be overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through that. So what makes this MagSafe case stand out from the rest? First off, let's talk about its design. It's sleek, lightweight, and fits perfectly with your iPhone while still providing that premium feel. The materials used are top-notch, with a combination of durable polycarbonate and soft silicone that not only protects your phone, but also feels great to hold. One of the most exciting features? Its magnetic compatibility. This means that you can easily attach all your favorite MagSafe accessories without any hassle. Whether it's a wireless charger or a cool wallet, this case has got you covered. Now, let's get to the moment we've all been waiting for, the 10 feet drop test. We took this MagSafe case and put it through some serious stress. Picture this. We dropped it from a height of 10 feet onto different surfaces. That's right, concrete, carpet, you name it. The results were astonishing. The phone remained unscathed with no visible damage at all. The case absorbed all that impact like a champ. This is the kind of performance that gives you peace of mind when you're out and about. To wrap things up, the MagSafe case we tested today not only looks great, but also offers incredible protection. With its durable materials, sleek design, and amazing performance in our drop test, it's clear that this is a case worth considering in 2024. If you're tired of worrying about your phone's safety, this might just be the solution you need. So, what do you think? Have you had any crazy drop experiences with your phone? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other reviews for more awesome tech gear. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one.